Hello and welcome to Truck-n-Trailer, your capital for commercial vehicle sales, service, and secure truck parking. Hey fleet managers, have I got something for you? Do you have at least 4 or 5 commercial vehicles in your fleet? Maybe you're a plumbing company, heat and air company, perhaps you deliver office supplies or furniture. Well, it's time to streamline your maintenance and let Discount Tire Mobile Service come to you. After signing up to a Discount Tire Mobile Service account, here's what you can expect: scheduled off hours and on-site service, reduced driver and vehicle downtime, receive a full diagnostic report showing the status of your tires and service performed. You can pay and view invoices online, and Discount Tire now offers sizes up to 19.5 tires. And these are just a fraction of the fleet services that Discount Tire has to offer. I've been really impressed with how Discount has stepped up their game. If you want true preventative maintenance, want to save time, and want to make your job as a fleet manager easier, take a look at Discount Tire Mobile Fleet and Service. And be sure to give us a like and subscribe to help us grow this channel.